How's everybody doing? Treasure Man James here. Came up with an idea about taking my pin pointer here with my pin pointer clamp. Anyway, I've been thinking about between my pin pointer, yard tool handle, a spare Garrett AT Pro arm cuff, and a handle off my sand scoop attached to a lighting fixture bracket. Think about making a metal detector around my pin pointer and call it the tot lotter, because you know when you go to the tot lots, everything's shallow anyhow. But I'm going to see what I can come up with these components, and we'll take a look here in just a few minutes. I'll be back. Disassembling the handle. Got this on there with some tie wraps for now. But just continue piecing it together. Getting the AT Pro cuff separated here with the screw attachment. Taking it apart. Working on it here. So we'll get this thing together, and heat cools down this afternoon. We'll go out and maybe give it a try and see how good it works. Alright. Gotta drill a hole for the arm cuff. I already marked me a hole right here in the wood, so we can get this to slide down in the wood and get a good tight attachment. So let's work on that now. Okay. Got a good fit. Now, let's get this thing attached. And get this attached. I don't know if our screw's going to be long enough now to reach all the way back across. Let's see. Alright. So what I'm going to do is about finding a longer screw for the arm cuff to attach. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I didn't have a longer screw. So I'm going to use my unit bit. Make the hole just a little bit bigger. That way it'll the arm cuff will set down there a little bit better. So I'm just doing a countersink. Basically what I'm doing. Just countersinking the hole. Get this arm cuff to set down and flush. See, it's kind of sitting up high. There's a gap under there, if you guys can see it or not. So just trying to countersink the hole. Get the arm cuff to set down flush. That's what I'm working on now. I'll be back. Well, had to chisel a lot of wood out right here. Get the stand on there and the arm cuff. Now I'm coming back down here to my lighting fixture bracket. And screws right on the end. I spun them around. I'm going to take the screw out. It's a machine screw. I'm going to take that machine screw out. Just like so. Take this small drill bit. I'm going to drill right into the wood. Just like so. And the machine screw I took out, just laying here somewhere. Put it right back in the wood handle. Just let it make its own threads. I can secure the handle right there. Just like so. That will help hold the handle in place. Yep, this one's kind of bent a little bit. Alright, let me get it started, I'll be back. Alright, I got it started. Screws, it's making its own way down into the wood. Like I said, it's just a prototype. Just to get us going. That should be enough to stabilize the handle. so we can get out and try it. Kind of snug it down a little bit. Alrighty. Alright everybody, I'm back. I got the armrest on now. Got the handle right there, as you see, going down to the end right here. I'm going to attach the pin pointer. It's one of those pin pointer holders you get off eBay. It does swivel, which we'll see that here in a minute once I get it attached. I'm going to attach it so the end of it's pointing out, just like down from the handle and armrest. Way it's pointing straight out. Give me a minute to attach and I'll be right back. Alright, everybody, we got it attached to the end of it. As you can see, it does swivel, just like so. I'm going to turn it on. I was hoping to get to one of the tot lots today, but there's a rainstorm coming, so we'll use it around here in the yard a little bit. Give it a shot. Show you how it's going to work here. Alright. Let's go through here scanning like this. Just like so. There we go. See right here. Just a piece of metal right there. Probably an old staple or something where I have a little burn pile right here. See how handy this will be in a tot lot. Getting over, looking for coins around playground equipment. And then hold on just a second, I'll be right back. I'm going to show you about turning it sideways. Cover more ground area. Alright everybody, I made it back. Here we go. I threw a quiet quarter on the ground to show you how to turn it sideways. You got more detecting area. I'll just say right there it is. See, once I go along, hear something, I can turn it sideways and pinpoint. You can see the clad quarter right there I threw on the ground. So just go along detecting. Get a hit. Probe. Get right on top of it. Clad quarters right there.